Hello students, welcome to the chemistry class. In our today's class, we will discuss introduction and structure of water. So students, we all know that water is essential for the survival of all forms of life. It forms a major part of all living organisms. 60% of the human body is made up of water, and some plants this quantum goes to the 90%. Water covers 71% of the earth's surface. However, the distribution of water over the earth's surface is not uniform. Ocean contain 97.33% of water on the earth's surface. Only 2% of water on the earth's surface is in the form of polar ice and glaciers. The remaining water, less than 1%, is present in lakes, rivers, in the atmosphere and as underground water. Let us now look at some physical properties of water. Water is a taste, least and otherless liquid at standard temperature and pressure. It freezes into ice at 273 Kelvin, or we can say 0 degrees Celsius. Its boiling point is 373 Kelvin, that is like that 100 degrees Celsius, and has a density of 1 gram per cubic centimeter at 298 Kelvin, means 25 degrees Celsius. Water has strong hydrogen bonds in its molecule and therefore exists as associated molecules. Due to the presence of extensive hydrogen bonding in its molecule, water has a high freezing point, a high boiling point, a high heat of vaporization and a high heat of fusion in comparison to hydrides formed from other group 16th elements like hydrogen sulfide and hydrogen selenium. In comparison to other liquids, water has high thermal conductivity and surface tension, dipole moment and dipole electric constant respectively, and also it has highest specific heat. These properties allow water to play a key role in the biosphere. Its high heat of vaporization and high heat capacities are responsible for the moderation of the climate and the body temperature of all living beings. Water is an excellent solvent for the transportation of ions and molecules required for animal metabolism due to hydrogen bonding with polar molecules. Even covalent compounds such as alcohol and carbohydrates dissolve in water. So let's see students, we will discuss now structure of water. The shape of water molecule is bent or V-shape with a bond angle of 104.5 degree and OH bond length of 95.7 pm parameter. In water molecule, as the oxygen atom has a higher electronegativity than hydrogen atom. We all know that, no? So, it carries a partial negative charge, whereas the hydrogen atom carries slightly positive charge. As a result, water is a polar covalent molecule. In the liquid phase, water molecules are associated by hydrogen bonds. So students, I hope this topic is clearly understood. So we will discuss in our next topic in our next class. Thank you. Bye bye.